Hi everyone, welcome to the Craft.io platform. In this video, I'll be showcasing the Craft.io Account Manager, which brings everything you need to manage your enterprise users, workspaces, and account settings into a single centralized hub. It gives you a clear view of your paid seats and pending invites, allowing you to quickly add and remove users across your workspaces, portfolios, and feedback portals. Let's dive into the platform. You'll find the Account Manager in the navigation menu in the top right-hand corner of the platform. Click your user avatar and open up the menu. And click the second option in the list, the Account Manager, to open up the settings. Please note that you'll need to be the account admin to access these settings. The first thing you'll see is a dashboard of all of the users, workspaces, feedback portals, and portfolios across your account. Here, you can also see the number of paid seats within your enterprise, in addition to how many licenses are currently in use. You can navigate to each area either by clicking on the boxes or via the menu items in the left-hand side. A quick note on paid seats. These are calculated as users consuming an editing role, such as an editor, team leader, or admin. Contributing users, or viewers, on the other hand, do not take up a paid seat across the platform. Let's start with our users. By navigating to the users area, you will see a list of all of the users who are part of the account. This means they're members of an associated workspace, portfolio, or feedback portal. You'll be able to see which modules each user is a member of, whether their invitation is pending or accepted, and whether they represent a paid seat for your enterprise. Please note, any pending invitations will take up a paid seat if they are for an editor, license, or above. You can drill down further into a specific user record by clicking on the user's name. This will allow you to see the workspaces, feedback portals, and portfolios the user is a member of. From this page, you can click the name of the module itself to see more information. I'll click My Workspace as an example, and this will show me existing membership of the workspace, and it will also allow me to manage my users from here. I'm now going to invite a new user into my enterprise from the main users page. I'll click the Add User button, and this will present a number of fields for completion. I'll add in the user's email address, and I'll select the specific module type to invite them into. I'll use a workspace in this example. Please note, multiple users can be invited in at the same time by separating email addresses with commas, but be mindful to check that such users have not already been invited into the platform. I'll complete the remaining fields by selecting the specific workspace, the role, and the team. I'll then click Invite User. Once submitted, the user will receive an email inviting them into the platform, and account managers will be able to track this via the Invite Status column on the right-hand side. Here, you'll see the status of the user's invitation and whether they are pending or accepted. You'll also see their paid seat status, and this will be reflected in the overview from the beginning. Finally, if the account manager would like to remove a user from the account, for example in the case of a mover or leaver, this can be done both via the individual module in the navigation menu or from the user's page itself. In this example, I'll click the three dots next to the user's name and click Remove from Account. A prompt will appear on screen, asking you to confirm that you want to remove the user from all modules and also to revoke any pending invitations. Tick both of these boxes in order to proceed. Users can also be removed from an individual module. For example, if account admins want to remove a user from just a portfolio, but not workspace. This can be done by navigating to the module itself and completing the previous actions via the three dots. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.